What's up, guys? So as you can see, put some new headlights in the Cobra now. So these are the 01 to 04 factory tinted lights. I got these from latemodelrestoration.com, and I think they're like 130 bucks, so not too bad. But so as you can see, the clear coat on the factory ones were starting to crack, so I thought it was time to get some nice new headlights. So they look excellent. One thing I did notice is that the actual inside here is actually a matte finish versus the factory one is like a gloss finish. So the matte looks kind of cool though. It's a little more stealth looking versus the gloss. So I kind of like that look. But yeah, install super easy. New edge lights are very simple to replace. So, but yeah. So I think it looks pretty good. Definitely better than my old cracked clear coat on my old headlights, and they're kind of, beat up. Car's pretty old, so. But yeah, so anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.